In this video, I want to show you how to scan a document or a picture on your Canon TS7720 and get the result of this scan on your smartphone. I'll demonstrate with an iPhone, but the same can be done with an Android smartphone. If you want to use this process with a computer, I'll make a completely separate video on that matter since it's a bit different. So check my channel if this is what you wanted. So let's start with the number one thing to do is to connect this printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone, iPhone or Android. Let me show you how it's done using this display. So we'll go on the display over here and then select the settings icon. Select printer settings. Select LAN settings. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on Wi-Fi setup. Tap on manual connect. It will search for your Wi-Fi network. So be patient, it takes just around 10 seconds. You're gonna have all the Wi-Fi network around the printer. So you can scroll up and down and find your Wi-Fi. This is mine, so I'll simply tap on it. Here you're gonna select use multiple routers. And now it's time to enter the password of your Wi-Fi network. So you're gonna tap here. And now it's a bit complicated. They didn't include a keyboard the way that you have on your smartphone. What you have to do, let's say I want to type the letter R. Well, R is over here. I'll have to tap this button a few times until R is presented to me. And then I'll go to the next letter. Let's say it's K. Okay, and you get the idea. That's how you can type. By pressing the lower left side, you can switch to numbers if you have numbers in your password. And if you want capital letters, you need to press the shift button and it will switch to capital letters instead. So go ahead and type your password. You're gonna then press OK and then OK again. Wait a few seconds until the printer connects to your Wi-Fi. So you're gonna go on the App Store. Tap the search button on the lower right side. Tap over here, the search bar, type Canon. And the app we need to download is this one, Canon Print. Open the app. Over here, go all the way down and select check all, press OK, allow, or ask app to not to track depending on what your preference. Click on allow. Over here you're going to select search. Okay, it's adding the printer to the app. Okay, go all the way down, press OK. And now as you see here, let me just close this. And as you see over here on the top of this main menu page, your printer has been added. To scan, you simply have to tap on scan. Change settings, and you have a few different options here. So the type of scanning you're doing, in my case it's a document. Let me just show you how to input it. So I'm going to open the scan lid, and you're going to notice that on one of the corner of this scan lid over here, the top left one, there's an arrow. So take your document, place it facing down with the top part towards the left side. And now we need to make sure that the corner with the arrow touches the corner of the document. Okay, so glide until both are touching. Close. So here I will select document. Color mode, you can select color or grayscale, which is black and white. And over here you have original size. In my case, it's a letter size paper, so I'll just leave it to letter. Go back and press the scan button. Press OK. And from here, you're going to press exit. Or if you want to scan multiple pages and combine them in one single document, remove this page, put the next one and press scan. And you can scan many pages like that. So I'll press exit in my case. I'll get a preview of this scan, and to save it on your phone or to share it on social media or different apps, you're going to click this button over there on the lower left side. Then you're going to select in which format you want this to be saved or shared. And here on the top, you're going to have your contacts. You're going to have other apps. And by the way, you can swipe like that to find the app you want to share this document with. You can print, by the way, what you just scanned. But if you go down below, you're going to have save to files. If you tap here, you'll be able to save it in the internal memory of your iPhone. So this is about it. I hope my video was helpful. Please leave a like, subscribe, but also check my Amazon links in the description if you want to get new ink that is compatible with this Canon printer, genuine and not genuine, depending if you want to save a few bucks. If you want to get some photo paper that works great with this printer, I'll put all these links down below. So check them out. It's a great way to support my channel. Amazon gives me a very small commission every time somebody purchases through them. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.